to begin, you're going to start with your scissors and 2 different colored sheets of paper. You're going to cut one of your paper horizontally, so this way, into 11 strips, and your other paper into 10 strips. So now I have got 10 green colored strips, and now I'm going to make 11 of these yellow colored strips. So now we have got 10 of green colored strips and 11 yellow colored strips. So what we're going to do next is make loops using these strips, which we're then going to hang. Okay, for this you're now going to need your glue. First, you're going to do 2 of your strips which have 11 and 1 strip of your other color which has 10. So for me it's green and yellow. What you're first going to do is apply a bit of glue to the end of one of the yellow ones and fold it over like this into a circle and leave it on the side. And then you're going to do the same with the other. Now, for the green one, it's going to be a bit different. First, you are going to apply the glue, but then you're going to put one loop through this, one loop through this, and then you're going to have it like this first, and then you are going to close it into a circle. So now it looks like you got a jumble of paper, but if you hold on to one of your other sides, you now have this, which is what we're going to hang. So I'm just going to make a bunch more of these, and you're going to alternate between using 2 of one color and 1 of the other color, and 2 of, for example, now I use 2 yellows, so next I'm going to use 2 greens, then 2 yellows, then 2 greens, then 2 yellows, and this again and again and again, until you've run out of strips of paper. So now you might have a whole mess of paper like I do, but here's the part where you actually start hanging them. So using your either black piece of paper, whoops, let me move it out of the way, using either your black piece of paper or your string, you're going to either hang or glue these at intervals. But first I'm going to make this paper longer by cutting it into strips and then gluing those strips together. So once you have either your paper or your string ready, you can glue this on by putting glue on one side, like here, and then sticking it onto the paper like this. Or you can just do it randomly, however you like. And if you're using string, then you will just put the string through one of these loops, and then you're done. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done. So first I made this one using 2 different colored papers. This one was orange and blue, just to show you how it looks like. And now I'm also going to add my yellow and green ones to this in between. You see how there's a bit of a gap between 2? And then I'll show you how it looks. Ta-da! Here's what it looks like when it's done.